ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Look at this one. What do you think you're doing? No, that's not cool. You better get down. We're excited to be back here at the library. Assalaamu alaikum, hey Dazers. It's my baby's first day of school. Say yay, yay, yay. She's officially an 8th grader, mashallah. Oh my Allah. All right, let's have a wonderful first day, okay? Say your duas, okay? Let's go. Assalaamu alaikum, hey Dazers. Let's just call today, what should we call today? Gift day or gift receiving day. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But I got a gift from Senegal, from my mom in Senegal, and I got gifts from our neighbors from Jordan, Palestine. They just got back from Jordan, and they brought us some gifts, and I am like in awe. I am in awe of like the beautiful wrapping. Hold on, I'm trying to show you guys this. Shoot. Okay, never mind, I give up. So these two are perfumes, and I don't know what this is. I'm guessing one of these is for, I don't know, maybe for the kids or for Habibi. I don't know. ثوب إبداعي. ثوب الإبداعي. Probably saying it wrong. ثوب الإبداعي. إبداعي. Okay. So there's that. I think that's for Habibi. And sorry, my allergies. I was working with flour. And this beautiful dress from my Senegalese mom, mashallah. I'm just sitting here and I hear the doorbell ring left and right, and people are just walking in with presents. And this is why today is gift giving day, or gift receiving day. I mean, I also got churai. Is it awesome or is it awesome? Mashallah. I just feel so loved today. Oh my goodness, mashallah. Look at all this from my neighbors. I love them. All right. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Hey Dazers. Say hey Dazers.
Hey Dazers.
It's first day of school. Hadif looking grumpy. He just woke up. But it's today's Macer's first day of school, and mine as well.
First day of second grade.
First day things, you know.
I'm excited and shy and nervous at the same time.
You're nervous. All right, we're going in because we're late. Say today's my first day of school. Yeah.
My first day of second grade.
Macer is so excited to be going to second grade. Right, Macer?
Yeah.
Pull down your mask for a little bit. Let me see.
My teacher looks like a...
Macer, pull down your mask.
My teacher looks like a YouTuber that I watch on YouTube.
His teacher looks like a YouTuber. Okay.
And I watch it.
Yeah, I want like this, nigga.
Tis the day before Habibi comes, and we're here doing last minute shopping, right? Today was Macer's first day of school.
Today was my first day of school.
No, it wasn't. Let's go. My baby's. Let's go. We're at home. Let's go. Hadif, come on. Nursing hankali koi. Dazers, we have some squash plants here. Habibi is about to pull them out because I planted these like 2 years ago, I think, like the seeds, and I completely forgot about them. And they grew like wildfire this year. Look. So there's the squash. And there's this little one that I think that's the one we use for chapujeng. I think. This one. Oh, I just pulled it. Anyway, Habibi was about to pull everything because he said it makes the front yard look a mess. So he's about to pull everything, and we're about to enter fall, so why not? So yeah, and I'm gonna see what else I can find. There's more in here. Hey Dazers, we are here at Hajiyati Mafresh baby's Ramiz's first birthday party. Hi Ramiz, here's the birthday boy. You guys be careful. Hi birthday boy. Yata Shikwana. The birthday backdrop mo. MashaAllah. First birthday. Aji Anura. Hey, Aji Anola. That's my girl. Aji Anura. Sunanta organizer. Taya Iki, MashaAllah. The birthday mama. Say hey Dazers. Hey Dazers. Myra, big sis. Say hey Dazers. Hey Dazer, got Halima. Hi Hali. Say hey Dazers. Hey. Mustafa kin uncle. Hamza. Say hey Dazers.
Hi.
Wakega. Mu'mina. Zainab. Hi. I'm Girman's mamanya, mashallah. Here's our setup. We're gonna put our cake there. Isn't that beautiful? Blue and white, mashallah. We're about to one video we're about to turn up. One video on the Nasaka YouTube we're about to turn up. Come on, Nasalla, Neko. This is so creative. The kids in this house made this piñata. I love it. I love it. So it was Moda's idea. They created this. It's so cool. It's like a house. Nura na song and recording the Tana Masawa. Say hey Dazers. Hi Nura. Mohammed, say hey Dazers. You always do this. You know, I was watching this video from 2 years ago on Eid. Right. Same thing. You were hiding your face. Cheese.
And where's my sis?
Happy birthday to you. Are you Hey Dazers, got so swag. They make me look so good because I came early.
I told her at school.
Oh, oh, okay. You told her you were gonna come late?
After school, because I have school today.
Oh, okay, okay.
She threw up.
Oh no, where you? So apparently I have this bad girl vibes going on. Just came from Wendy's, got some cheesy fries, and the girls in the drive-thru said they love my look. I look cute, and I got this bad girl vibe going on.
Not now, but maybe when you were wearing the yellow dress.
Doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, apparently.
My head.
You look more like a mom.
I am a mom. What kind of?
like a Facebook mom.
Hajia said I look like a Facebook mom.
Ooh, nice.
Not
What
a.
happened to a kid?
Say hey, Dazers. What do you want? Oh my gosh. Say hi. Make sure to turn around. Say hey, Dazers. Fatima. She's acting shy. Are you okay? Yeah? We're here at the library. I found these new diverse books. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for this one. Adamaba. This pertains to the story of 9/11. So I'm excited. I got a whole bunch of diverse books. We're gonna read with the kids. Amara's farm. Hey Amara. One of my friends' name is Amara. So I was like, cool. So yeah. The library, Southeast. Excited to be back here again. Right, Mariam?
Yeah.
We're excited to be back here. Not everything is open, but...
I have a light card too.
Ooh, she got a library card. Ooh, look who's here. Say hey, Dazers.
Hey, Dazers.
Your sister was acting so shy.
Yeah.
There's Isata. Yes, girl, you can read my girl. High five. High five. Yes. So you better subscribe. You better like. You better comment. I'm just kidding. Can you say that? Say that with some pizzazz. Go.
You better like, you better subscribe, you better comment.
Fatimata is like, I don't know how to say that. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Look at this one. What do you think you're doing? No, that's not cool. You better get down. We're excited to be back here at the library. But unfortunately, they closed earlier, right, Aisata?
Yeah, it closed at 7 now.
Oh, I know. But at least we get to be here, right?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Everybody say Alhamdulillah. Okay, out of my way. I found these books. I'm so excited.
I'm
gonna read.
read. I don't want it.
Go get a book, girl. Go get a book.
I'm gonna get a gold pen.
Yes, let's get a book. Let's see your book that you're reading, my sir.
I just skipped all of the pages.
Why are you skipping pages? Down.
This one a little pink, so I don't get too much.
You're gonna skip all the pages and then you're gonna come back and read. Just read it in order. You're rushing to finish it and then you come back.
If it's the same.
Okay. So my sir is like all about Dogman books now. That's all he ever wants to read. Awkward. He likes these books. But, huh? You did? Oh, with who?
Yeah, I watched it already.
Oh, you mean I did? We did? Oh, yeah, we sure did. Where's my baby? This kid. Where's Hada? It's gonna get me in trouble. Ooh, check this out. Say hey, Dazers. She made a catapult. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did that hit your face? Are you okay? Oh, no.
Hey, Dazers.
There's the star. There's Dazer's star. The star of Dazers. Are you putting? Yes. Tell them.
Like and share.
Yeah. And comment. All right. How to move your head?
Never reply.
I do. Really? Okay. Bring it to my attention. Say, Miss Hamdiya, you didn't reply to this, this, and that, and I'll see it.
Reply to this,
I'm so,
that.
no. You gotta go on there and show me. Ooh, say hey.
Hey, Dazers.
Everybody got a book today, right?
Yeah.
You're not leaving the library without any books.
Yeah, we have.
And they have some really cool Muslim girls books. Make sure you check them out. All these new books that are out, very diverse and inclusive.
Some very good books. Her books are about women can wear hijab everywhere and people of color.
Yes, and people of color.
One is about prayers for a little heart.
Oh, that's cute.
This one
And this, hi, how was it? Hey, Dazers.
this one is about
Hey, Dazers. Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to be going to the park.
You and who are going to the park?